Hi guys, welcome back. It's Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. Here to do a quick video, as always, on a new item that I purchased. If you're new to my channel focuses on luxury handbags, a little bit of beauty, affordable items, just things that I love to talk about in general. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube page. And let's get started. So yes, it's been 3 weeks. I've been laying low. As I said previously, 2023 is going to be the year of me just shopping my closet and purging things that I'm not using. So I've already sold 2 items so far. I sold my reverse monogram card holder to Rebag, and the second item that I just recently sold was my Gucci wallet on chain. I sold this item actually on eBay. With that, I was able to purchase myself something that I came across. You know, this is the year of no wish list, 2023. We're just going with the flow. And I came across something that caught my eye and it spoke to me, and I just wanted to share it with you all. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. The item that I purchased, I actually purchased from eBay. Again, I did not go through FASHIONPHILE this time, even though I did see the item on FASHIONPHILE, but the price was a couple of $100s more than it was on eBay. And on eBay, I was able to offer the seller a little bit less, so that worked in my favor. It went through the eBay authentication process, so when you buy something on eBay, it's the same way if you're selling something that's over $500. It goes to their hub, they check it, then they send it to the buyer. This time I was the buyer, so it went to their hub, they authenticated the item, then they sent it to me. Easy, seamless process. And for my Gucci wallet on chain, it was the same thing from my end. I sent it to their hub, they authenticated it, and then they sent it to that buyer, and then they released my funds. So easy, seamless process. I usually sell to FASHIONPHILE. I usually sell on POSHMARK, but FASHIONPHILE, the quote that I received was not as high as I would like, so I decided to move over to eBay. I did list it on my POSHMARK page. I didn't have any luck there, so you know, you just go with the flow with these things. So let's get started. The box came just like this from eBay. And eBay has their authentication process get carried away. It was boxed beautifully, guarantee everything. Let me black out my address. And it came in the eBay dust bag, but the seller also sent me over the Gucci dust bag. So if you've been following my channel for a while, there is a particular handbag in my collection that I've had since 2017 that is my favorite handbag. I love it so much. I received it for my birthday, and that is the Gucci DIONYSUS. I'll put a picture here. The tan with black interior, one of my favorite handbags, hands down. I love this collection from Gucci. This is my favorite line from Gucci. I have a super mini. I also have, I had the wallet on chain, but I sold it. And now I have this beauty right here. A Gucci DIONYSUS small limited edition collaboration. American designer Ken Scott, a popular designer in the 60s. This came out, I think, spring, summer 2021. And with eBay, you have your tags, you have your eBay authentication card inside, and it tells you the item and what it is, and all your information here. So it's just like FASHIONPHILE. Once you remove the tag, it's yours. And for me, I absolutely love this handbag. I know I say that about all my handbags, but the DIONYSUS collection is actually my favorite line. I absolutely love my original Gucci DIONYSUS that I received in 2017. And I thought this would be perfect to add to my collection. I did sell my wallet on chain because I need something a little bit bigger that will hold my cell phone. And I thought this was a perfect item. And I love anyone who follows me on Instagram know I love flowers, roses especially, white roses, red roses, yellow roses, any color roses. And this handbag has beautiful flowers all over it, the front and the back. It's in brand new condition. It matched my nails. Match my purple nails. My grandmother's favorite color was purple. So sometimes I get my nails done purple to think of her, but you know. So it matched my nails. I love it. You can definitely wear this in the spring. You can definitely wear this in the summer. You can wear this year around. This is just a beautiful handbag. As you know, I love limited edition pieces. I live by limited edition pieces because I think it gives a vibe. Not everyone will have this handbag. Not everyone will have limited edition items from other brands. I just love limited edition pieces. And I think it's a perfect piece to add to my collection. And it's just like my other Gucci handbag. I can give that a rest, and I can wear this in place of the other one. And for me, when I know I love something, I wear it right away. It's not going to sit. It came yesterday. Yesterday I put my stuff in the bag. That's how I know. For me, when I really love something, if I use it immediately, that means, Kimberly, you like this. If I let it sit, I wanted it, but do I really like it? Do I really love it? Not necessarily. But when I buy something and I pull it out and I take the wrappings off and I put it on to wear it, that means this is something I really, really wanted. I was able to get this bag for an affordable price. I did check FASHIONPHILE. FASHIONPHILE currently have 2 available because I had 3 of this. I had 3 saved in my favorites on FASHIONPHILE, and it ranged from $1,200 all the way up to $1,600. All of them were in excellent condition. One did sell because I think they marked the price down and somebody did buy it. But to get this bag for under $1,500, I think is a steal, because when you look at the cost of the regular Gucci DIONYSUS in this size, is spending over $2,500, then you have to add tax. And it's the same as that bag. The strap, you can wear it over your shoulder, or you can wear it longer. And I can't wait to wear this in the summertime with like a summer dress and some sandals. And it opens up just like my other bag, and it has the compartment here. I have my wallet in the back. I have a pouch, my Bloomingdale's pouch, my key holder, and my Gucci card holder. and it has a middle compartment where you can store stuff. The bag is brand new. The bag is brand new. It's in excellent condition. I received it. I was able to purchase it for an amazing price. I just think buying pre-loved for me is the way to go. I love buying pre-loved, especially for limited edition pieces. I just truly like to scour the internet to see what I can find at an affordable price, or if I can't find it, I always check FASHIONPHILE first. And I have been looking a lot at Rebag lately. Rebag also had one listed, I think, for about $15.75, and that actually sold during the Valentine's Day sale when they had an extra 15% off. So there's some pieces of this handbag floating around out there, and I will link some below if anyone is interested in it. And like I said, for me, to get this bag under $1,500–$1,600, knowing what the regular bag costs, I know if you're not interested in a lot of color, it might not be your thing, but it's definitely a fun bag to incorporate into your collection for the spring and the summer. So just give it a look if it's something that might be of interest to you. This phone will not stop ringing. So this is my new handbag in my collection. So basically what I did was, as I said, 2023, no wish list. If we're not using something in the closet, we're getting rid of it and we're buying things that we love. So this handbag replaced my wallet on chain. I love this. It came from eBay. It is a limited edition piece. Gucci DIONYSUS Ken Scott collection. Came out in spring summer 2021. Beautiful, beautiful handbag. My name is Kimberly, also known as Loving to Shop. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye.